So the camera kind of busts on here. But it's like it's now kind of badly messed up, but it's like it's kind of stopped working on its own. So it's kind of not surprising with that camera, I guess. So I'm in my house, and people wearing these awesome sunglasses, like costumes, but it's not the sunglasses supposed to be on their face, and they got like Hawaiian necklaces. The only one got on, and so they got Will Smith up there in the background. One guy got on Leo, Clipchamp, but it's like talking about Christmas in the land, and then sticking the rockers, and the sound is but the fireplace decorated. There was this man singing on the top of this thing there, and there's also somebody singing with the song.
Since it is Christmas in July, we will do a medley of different Christmas songs in summertime.
And this song, they have a lot of songs lessons in this lesson. But this song, the singing song. Summertime.
There you go.
That's so British.
I dream of a while.
It's like he wrote like Christmas is,
just like the one I used
but on those days, to extend a person junior from my Sioux sources.